Hello, I'm here for the intake session.
Welcome. Please have a seat. Someone will be right with you.
These results show a 25% increase from our strategy. Impressive. Can we see the source data? Certainly, it's all here. Excellent. This is solid.
These structured programs are designed to transform lives. As you can see, the data shows significant improvements. This is real change.
The projections show a 20% increase by year end. What about supply chain risks?
We've diversified our suppliers. It's so comforting to know someone's always listening and someone always caring. It means everything.
Understanding these concepts will build your future.
Yes, skills are the key to rebuilding. Focus on the key concepts.
Like this?
Exactly. That's it. Got it.
Keep pushing, we're almost there.
You've got this. Pull with me. Rise and rise. Faith is our foundation, hope lights our way, and renewal brings us together. And let it transform your lives. A place to rest, a space to heal.
We did it! Yes, service forward. This is our moment. We are certified, skilled, and ready for life. Let's go make a difference.